Starting in IGEMS version 2022.1.2662, they've added a new feature in the quality command where you can select entities. So last year they added the filter for holes where you could filter out holes of a particular size to easily add different qualities. So we'll go ahead and make a part out of this here quickly. If you go into your quality command now, they now have this filter button here. So previously we had the holes options. So for example, if on those small holes at the end of the fingers there, I want those to be fine, I could choose the holes option. And when I hover near one of those holes of that diameter, it's highlighted yellow. If I left click, that tells IGEMS that I want to apply this to holes of only that diameter, and select those automatically like that just by dragging a box around it. Now with this filter, you can do a similar thing on entities. If we wanted the ends of these fingers all to be a different quality, say extra fine, can choose the filter option, and again hover near one of those arcs and when it highlights yellow, left click, and then you can just drag a box around everything. It'll find arcs of that radius. So these are a little bit different radius, so it didn't pick those ones. If we did want to do those ones at different quality or same quality, choose quality again, filter. When it's highlighted yellow, left click, and then drag a box around everything. If you have any questions on that, let me know. Thanks.